Okay. Okay. So,
Yeah, please proceed.
so with the permission of chairperson, concluding the debate, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say that the side opposition was beaming with rhetorics and facts and figures rather than consciously agreeing to the fact that this coronavirus pandemic has led us to be more oriented towards technology and assert our identity through social media platforms or social platforms per se. And this complete or entire analogous thing has preserved our identity when courts were shut and entire country or entire world for that matter was completely shut or within the lockdown. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very important to understand that through social platforms, I mean, just agreeing to the fact that social platform is an essential evil. Now the debate or the ambit of debate is not centered on the merits and demerits of social media platforms. The debate centers around the assertion of humans' identity through or solely through social platforms. Now, coming to this very important point, it is very important to address that all the homosexuals that who are very much resistant or who are hesitant to convey to their own parents about this sexual identity, yes, they use social platform to assert their identity, ladies and gentlemen. And you cannot disagree to the point that women on their workspaces came up with their own identity of an independent worker that shall receive all the gender neutral perks and certificates, and they came up against their exploitation through many movements inclusive of me too movement per se. Now we need to understand that the side opposition has not been solution oriented. They were not talking about solutions actually. Now we need to bring forth one important point right over here is that as we talk about cybercrime, as we talk about identity crisis or youth identity crisis through social media platform, depression, anxiety, and all this stuff, but we need to address the most important point right out here is that we need
Your
to have a
time's up.
robust mechanism. Yeah, and we should decrease the digital divide that becomes an essential evil right now, and we need to work toward that mechanism to achieve that. Otherwise, there'll be students will be committing suicide without being unable to assert their identity as a student through their
Kindly
social
conclude.
platforms.
Your
Thank
time
you.
is up.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sikse. So, judges, we